Hello, hello, hello. Good people of Anambra, good people of Abuja, good people of Lagos, good people of Rivers State, good people of Delta, good people of Imo. We are Auto Track Nigeria Limited. We are professionals in car tracker installation in car. We have secured more than 300 customers' car with our car tracking device, and they are satisfied, they are happy with our services, that they refer their friends and their family to us. So we help our customers by installing car tracker in their car. This car tracker helps them to secure their car by showing them the location of their car, real-time location, meaning when you are moving, it's showing in the map. Whenever the car is moving, you are seeing it in the map. And you can also see the satellite image of the car. You can also shut down the car using your mobile phone wherever you are in the world. And the good thing about us is that we give 1 year installation warranty to every customer which we have installed for. So you can locate us, you can locate our office address by contacting us via the phone numbers which you have there, or you can also get more information on our tracking device and our services by calling us on our numbers or sending us a message on WhatsApp. So the season we're in a festive season, and of course festive season like this, a lot of car thefts are always recorded. So in order to be on the safe side, I will encourage you to install our professional car tracker in your car. It will go a long way to help you and also give you peace of mind. There is nothing as having peace of mind where you knowing that where you parked your car, that your car is secured and safe. Even if someone moves your car, you can shut down your car from your phone. That is the beauty of our device. And our device gives you details. It gives you the details of the car, where the car moved to, how long the car spent there, where the car stopped, and many other features that are included in our tracking packages. So we have offices in Lagos, we have in Port Harcourt, we have in Anambra, in Oka, and we have in Abuja, we have in Imo State, we have in Delta. So you can come to our office to make an inquiry, or you can use the number there and contact us. When you contact us, you can choose whether you want to come to our office or you want us to come to your location and make the installation. So do well to contact us and secure your car. Remember that it is your primary responsibility to ensure that your car, your asset is secured. Thank you, and always stick to the best. Auto Track is the best. Thank you once more.